Another project.
Vroom, vroom.
Put this on the lift and kind of thought about it all weekend. Sometimes that's how I like to start a project. Think about what parts need to be ordered, what needs to be done first. So let me go around and show you a couple things. We're going to see how much we can straighten this out. I guess while it was flying, it did a couple hard landings. We got an old muffler bracket that used to go this way, so we're going to cut that off. And the way I'm thinking the muffler is going to come straight out, put a hole in the blue so we don't breathe exhaust. Alright, tires are getting old and dry rotted. Need to change them. There's no provision to take the wheel off, so it's going to get cut. We'll put tabs on the bottom so we can bolt it in and out. Cut that off, cut that. Cut these out, make the wheels serviceable. We got a flat tire back here. Bead's not sealing. We'll put some bead sealer on it, sand it down, clean it up. We got to true that sprocket. Choose your weapon. We got a failure. We got a repair failure. We got a comeback. See the bubbles? It was leaking everywhere. Now it's just right here. I broke the bead down, cleaned it, and put some sealer on it. We'll have to try again. Here's our little repair we made so we can change the front tires. We've got the rear tire sealed. And we got the frame scuffed down and painted. No more raw steel. And I'm getting ready to put the engine on. See ya. see if we got brakes. Oh yeah. Had to redesign my bracket. The bracket was so skinny because I didn't want to deal with the axle that I had the caliper up more, and then the pad was only riding on half of so I had to bring it back down, and that moved me way in. So I got a big fat washer and welded it and made a different spacer. We got it. So that is our brake caliper redo. Didn't have any brakes when it came in. There was an old bracket here, so obviously it had them, but when this thing went flying, it didn't need brakes anymore. And had a couple rough landings. I had to true this. It's still not perfect, but... And that was welded on. Like I said, this is a redo. If you remember, Porta Potty in the park that drove around, and then they hooked it to it and took it for a fly in the sky. Morning, shoppers. Hey, Abby. I just have one question. Should I lower myself to work on this crap? No? Nope. Not gonna do it. I'm gonna raise it up. In case you're wondering, there's the cage. Here's the chassis and the motor. Got the exhaust going out the back. Just got to put the gas tank in. Oh, thank goodness. You never know when you need to go. Oh, excuse me, sir. I didn't know someone was in here. It's Elliot, Ross Creations.